Medical records exchange can be a complicated, burdensome process, not only for healthcare providers, but for legal professionals as well. Law firms who regularly request medical records must adhere to strict compliance laws such as HIPAA, just like healthcare providers. But where do you start? HIPAA and the HITECH Act outline the regulations that covered entities and business associates must follow when handling protected health information. Since the HITECH Act was passed in 2009, HHS has held business associates directly accountable for the breaches of protected health information. As such, law firm professionals requesting and handling medical records must take the time to study HIPAA rules, as the penalties are strict and steep. Requesting medical records via patient authorization is the easiest way to retrieve important medical records. However, it's not the only way. In some cases, a patient may object to the release of their medical records. In this case, you will need to submit a subpoena to express why this information is important to your case. The patient or the healthcare provider may still object to the release, at which point a court order is the final option. This requires the healthcare provider to release the records unless they have significant cause to object. When submitting your records using Chartrequest, you can send clients digital authorization forms to electronically sign via text or email. Then, our streamlined workflow guides you through the request process from start to finish to help you complete a request in just minutes. After that, you can select any additional services you need and submit your request. Requesting the same medical records repeatedly is tedious, but it's sometimes essential. In legal cases that require regular medical record updates, such as car accidents and workers' compensation cases, you can set up automated recurring requests to a specific healthcare provider. Once this is active, you can rest easy and trust that Chartrequest will submit your recurring requests on time, every time. We've put together some helpful tips to help you through the records request process. Be concise as possible without sacrificing important details or questions. Whether you're communicating with a healthcare provider or a client, you should avoid keeping them on the line longer than necessary. Don't lose your cool. Make sure you treat people on the other end with the same respect they treat you. There's a chance you'll be working with them again, so make sure they look forward to it. Only submit valid requests. Healthcare providers will reject release of information authorization forms and subpoenas if they do not meet all the requirements. Double check your forms to make sure everything is right. Please check out our article, The Lawyer's Guide to Medical Records, for even more information on this topic. And for more information on the Chartrequest platform itself, please reach out to support@chartrequest.com.